right, so test drive from How to Train Your Dragon with our left hand. We're going to put finger number 5, our pinky, on A, and then finger number 2, our pointer finger, on D. And that's our beginning pattern. And you're going to do that 2 times and then add an E. Whoa, did you hear that? Let's do that one more time. Now our middle finger is actually already right where it needs to be. So finger number 3, middle finger is going to play this first black note in a set of 2. So right there. And then back down to A. So let's try that out. And then the black note, C sharp. And then back up, up. So it's the same pattern, we just went down. Instead of doing it right here, we're doing it right there. So let's do that all together one more time, nice and slow. A, D, E, C sharp, A, C sharp, D. So that is pattern number 1, and we'll come back to it in a second. Now pattern number 2, we're actually going to completely move our hand down here. So our thumb is going to be on B, and then all of our other fingers will line up. Now because we're doing this with our left hand, our hand is going to have to transfer over. So it's going to look like this, where your thumb will sneak underneath, and then everything will move. And it might feel weird at first, so practice this a lot, just where your thumb sneaks and then it moves. So like find a spot for it to be like right here, and then move your fingers. So right here we've got B, not D, B, A, and then this is where our thumb is going to sneak under and play G. So let's try that. B, A, G. And did you see how my thumb, it really just snuck under? We're not going to twist our wrist or anything. We just want it to sneak under. B, A, G. And as soon as we do that, our whole hand is ready to move, and it's so free. So let's do that one more time. B, A, G. Now is an F sharp, so the first black key of a set of 3 keys with finger number 2. And then finger number 3 is already ready to go on E. And then finger number 4 is ready to go on D. Whoa, I know that was a lot. Let me play that whole second section for you, and then we'll go over it again. Okay, so that's that second section. So let's see, we had B, A, sneaky thumb, G. Ooh, do that one more time. Okay, and then the last part is with that F sharp, E, D. So make sure also that you're using the tip of that second finger and not like this part of it, because you just want to hit the very beginning part of that black key. Let's put this all together. Okay, so now let's go back to the beginning. Our pinky is on A, and our second finger is on D. Do you remember the pattern? That's okay if you don't. Let's do it together. Nice and slow. A, D, E, C sharp, A, C sharp, D. Very nice. Let's do that number 1 pattern again. Just maybe a little bit quicker. A, D, E, C sharp, A, C sharp, D. Okay, awesome. And same thing right here with finger number 3. Use the top part of your finger on the edge of the black key instead of like this. It'll just make it a lot easier. So having those curvy fingers will really help. Okay, so let's play the first part and then see if we can have our hand transition into the second hand position. Let's try that out. So here's the first part. And then the second hand position with our thumb on B. And you probably saw I didn't transfer my thumb very quickly right there, which was not correct. So let's do the second section together. Just make sure our thumb transfers. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Can you try that out? 1, 2, 3. With our thumb, pointer, thumb. And the only difference when we actually play the song will be da, 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 da. So let's do the second section all together. Okay, now let's put the entire song together. And if you don't feel quite ready, you can always rewind this and go back to the part that you need to be able to look at it again. So our pinky is on A, pointer is on D. Second hand position, thumb is on B. Switch the thumb under. Very nice. Okay, and I am going to finish this off by playing the entire song at a little bit quicker of a speed, so that way you know what it will sound like when you're all done.